Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the last day of March 2023. We're here to talk about HBAR and should we be riding the current wave into the market in HBAR going higher in price. You guys can see that the volume has increased massively over the last 3 days, which could be coincidental to an explosion in the adoption of this cryptocurrency. Definitely, because when volume increases, then that means that more people or a couple of individuals is definitely playing an active role in the activity of the usage of HBAR. Pretty good. So I wanted to come in and talk to you all about this particular price action into the market in Hedera Hashgraph. You guys can see here that on March the 3rd was the last time we did a price prediction into the market in HBAR. You guys can see that it actually played out pretty accurately. We was looking for the market to go down right there around 5.5 cents. And that is precisely where the market came. And that was the bottom. Look at that. And people try to tell you that you cannot do this. And we've actually shown you plenty of examples to where you can time the bottom or at least find a location that's accurate to where price is going to find a location before it reverses course. Look at that. So that's 15.4% win right there. Congratulations. Now we already know, since the market found bottom in HBAR right there, that this is support. So the first thing we're going to do is we're simply going to extend this line as support. So that simply means as long as HBAR's price trades above that line, we will have either one of two things. One, price will continue to consolidate and trade from left to right, or second thing would be price is going to go up, period. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this time frame over to a 2-day chart. Okay, so first thing we need to do, as always, is pay attention to the volume, because the volume is the blood of the activity that occurs on any market. So we definitely see the increase in volume right now. So we know that people are being more active than what they've usually been historically in HBAR. So what's really going on? When you look at the price bar to which this volume is coming from, you guys can see there's a lot of volatility in HBAR. Some people are buying, some people are selling. Let's look at this on the 3-day chart. You can see the same thing. This spread bar is telling us that the market is more active, it's more volatility, and how the market currently is closing is also telling us that there's sellers involved. They're trying to take profit, which is cool. You expect people to come through and profit from these market moves. That's currently what the process is right now. Now, I want you all to see this though, okay? This area right here is, as we understand that sellers are currently entering the market in HBAR, we don't want to see price trade below 6 cents now. We don't want to see that. We've already got the confirmation that buyers bought HBAR around 5.5 cents. They lift the market higher. Now we don't want to see price break 6 cents. As we can tell that sellers are currently entering the market in HBAR. Okay, look at this on the 5-day time frame. So even though we recognize selling is here, this spread bar actually tells us that the overall direction into the market in HBAR has a greater probability of going higher than it does of going down right now. Okay, so I wanted to show you all the monthly time frame since we're at the last day of the month. So here it is right here. Okay, so in the next 13 hours, so give me 13 hours, all right? But let's just say that in the next 13 hours, the price bar for HBAR for this monthly time frame ends the way that it looks right now. I'll still be bullish. I'll still be expecting the market to lift higher than go down. In the next 13 hours though, I want to see the market close up here at this high in this monthly price bar. Okay, so from this perspective, I would look for price in HBAR to try to come back up here to 8 cents, and then definitely try to come up here to 9, maybe even 10 cents in a longer term perspective. Okay, so here's HBAR on the 3-month chart. So again, we have 13 hours left. You guys can see that we do see some selling The volume is definitely coming in higher in HBAR than what we've seen over the last couple of 3 months. And it's kind of wild. Look at how small this price bar is on this volume comparative to the volume of this 3 months price bar and that spread. People are buying down here. People were selling on this 3 monthly price bar. It's amazing at what you can see in the market when you have no indicators on your chart. So first things first, we're going to play some strength into the market in HBAR. Overall, buyers needs to hold 5.5 cents. Now I did tell you 6 cents. We don't want to see the market go lower than that. That would even be better for the market to go higher in HBAR, but let's just keep it real. This is crypto. Market volatility can happen on a dime. So I'm going to bring it down to 5.5 cents. Okay. Now my first target I told you was around 8 cents. Okay. So that's around 14.31% there. My second target is going to be right there around 0.0869 cents, give or take. So that's my second target, 0.086. You guys can see it, 0.086. That's 23.75. My third target is going to be all the way up here towards 9. That's 28.75%. Move higher, 9 cents there. Okay. And that is it. We're going to go ahead and hold this there and let the market trade. Now, we've already know that sellers is currently hitting the market in HBAR. So be prepared for that initially. Be prepared for the market in HBAR to trend down. But as long as it doesn't crack below 5.5 cents, we're going to have the expectation that the easiest way for price to move would be for a continuation move higher. All right, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys want a heads up as to how we move or how we predict and forecast what price is going to go without the confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.